Welcome to MT Kids.
Hi guys, this is Ajey, Kristen here and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be seeing about how to install Enhanced Native Trainer in GTA 5. So it's a very easy step. We don't want to open for and all. So you have to just install the Enhanced Native Trainer. I'll give a link in the description box down below this video for the link. So just go to File Explorer. Now this is the Enhanced Native Trainer. So just extract it. So it will be like coming like this. So this is just the readme file. So it will be telling about the Enhanced Native Trainer. So we don't want these and all. So just copy these two files. These are the most important files. And drag and drop it in GTA 5 directory. So very easy step guys. And also don't forget to install this thing, script, script, script hook. So this is the second most important thing for to run this mode. So click on this download and click just discard. No, we don't want to discard it. Okay, click keep because it's not any virus thingy like that and all. So it will be coming over here. So yeah guys, so this is the script hook V, and just drag so go inside to the bin folder and drag and drop these two files that I'm selecting. We don't want the trainer.asi. It's a pretty worse trainer. I don't complain it, but I don't like it. So I already installed guys, so I'm clicking no. So that's it guys, we are all ready to go, and let us start GTA 5. So let it open and I will see you when it's open. So guys, the game has been opened. There will be a little bit laggy, but because I'm having high resolution in the game, so I will fix it as soon as possible. So guys, so if you press F4 on your keyboard, it will open the trainer. So I have installed that scripted.net file, right? So it will show that also. So just click escape to remove that. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to smash like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any more awesome videos like this, and I'll see you all in the next one.